right. Yes. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to everyone who is watching right now. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master. Welcome to our YouTube channel. And yes, today we're also going to see something that is very, very interesting for those ones who have, if it's your first time to be on this channel, I would like you to make sure that you click on that red button, ring the bell so that you always be the first person to watch all the videos that I upload every week. And yes, this is the channel where you always find different types of hairstyles, and to those ones who would want my master classes, you can follow that link in the description. It is going to take you through all my online classes so that you can choose a different type of hairstyle that you'd want to learn. And yes, it is there very, very detailed. So this time around, we're going to see something that is very, very interesting, and this is a crochet. Okay, we're going to be looking at the crochet, and it is called mambo locks. It is called mambo locks. This is a very, very interesting crochet. And yes, as so many crochet always come up, and we see how can we always braid them. So people have come out with different types of braiding, which is always perfect, like doing their creativity to see how the crochet looks like it is braided, not like a crochet. But still, we always want also to consider its use. Like if it was meant to be a crochet, how can you always braid it like a crochet? Because someone might not want it individually and she wants it like a crochet. So to those ones who would want to do it as a crochet, I always want to advise, yes, accordingly. Like whenever you're trying to do a crochet, what you should always put in mind is the type of the cornrows that you do are supposed to be equivalent to the crochet that you're going to add on, the crochet extension that you're going to add on. Yes, when the crochet are very small, the extensions are very small, of course even your cornrows are supposed to be small. And once it is very big, please make sure that also your cornrows are big. That is the only way you can achieve your crochet to look very big, like to look very good. Okay, so now let's continue and see how this is going to look like. But of course, the way the crochet is, we are going to try to start it differently. Okay. Yes, as we're done with our cornrow, this is how it looks like. You can see on the cover, they've done it differently, but it is like plaited individually. When I say individual, it be like with strands, not like on the crochet. But now let's try to look at it. How can we do it on our crochet if you get it? Okay, and whenever I'm trying to show you this, it means that even those ones who have even smaller than these, like your crochet, if they're smaller than these, how can you crochet them when it comes to this? Now it doesn't have the pointing, so you just have to do it yourself, starting from down, and then you bring it, or you just tie it. Okay, it is just starting from the first one, because we don't have the one in the sorry, we don't have the middle one, like those ones. The first one, those ones who watched my previous video of the flanny locks, okay, it is different from this one. You just have to crochet it from the middle. So this is how I'm trying to braid it, and then after doing that I just tie. Okay, it might look somehow different, but let's see how it will come out, because I always tell you that we always have to focus on the finishing, because it is the most important thing that we always do. We have to do. All these ones can be done, but we always have to focus on the finishing. So you just have to do it slowly by slowly as you're protecting your hairline. Okay, and then we tie it like that. So here we go. My name is Maurice, the crochet master. Thank you so much for those ones who have been with us ever since. And please, you can go right in the comment section, rate the styles that I'm going to get from, that are going to come out from this mambo locks, and then you can tell me how you think about it, and guess which one is your best. Just write in the comment section so that we can chat together. But even before you do that, make sure you like the video. So may the Lord bless you as you're doing that, and see you in the comment section, please.
For the ones that make us smile every day, pour their hearts in all they do every minute. Work so hard for us to be so bold, stand tall. We appreciate you, we love you, we say thank you. Yeah, we say we are here for you. We are here for you. All our lives we've been waiting for this moment. We're neat like expected. We're here for you. We are here for you. Oyagala ebiriko jangu ffe tukuwe ebiriko. Oyagala omulembe jangu tutambule n'omulembe. Oyagala ebiriko jangu ffe tukuwe ebiriko. Hair by clippers, hair by clippers, hair by clippers, hair by clippers. Confidence eri mu kikumi we give it out, tetuleka you with the best to none. Anyawa kana ruleta tujja kulaga embiri twazitenga. Tuli ba big ballers, shot callers, tukola kwa babaze ulira. So high in the sky, we know how to make it glam and look so splashy. Everybody, we bitch, everybody.